Okay, here we're going to discuss the single property website that you can use within Full Frame. Not only does it host your pictures and let you download and create flyers, but it also gives you a great marketing tool to either, it will give you an unbranded version, which you can put on the MLS, a virtual tour player, or it will give you a brand, and it gives you a branded link that you can put on social media or email out. What I'll do first is if you want to see your property website, you can click the View Property Website button, or you can click the unbranded MLS link or the branded MLS link button for those respective ones. But right now I'm going to click on my property website and give you a quick tour. Then I'm going to show you how to do a few edits to the website. Again, I apologize, my email or my internet is going pretty slow. Okay, here's the home page of the website. You have the ability to select which photo you want to go on the cover of the website, so I will show you that. You can see your contact information about the property. If you click that, it'll take you to the information that you have populated, and I'll show you where that lives. If you click on the photos button, it gives you basically a carousel that you can go through to look at the images. This is how I believe most of the people are going to be viewing your property when on this site. I do like this house. This is a pretty house that we photographed. Next, I will show you is if you had a video in place. If you click on that, it will take you to, this is actually Vimeo LinkedIn. I will show you, well, we're going to show it in a different video how you would download this video. But then the video is placed in there that people can look. And if you do use Matterport, which is the 3D tour, that is also in there also. So you could click in with the Matterport. That gives you your dollhouse view. You can look at it in your floor plan view different ways, and you can do your tour of the property within Matterport. But just to show you, whoops, I went too far into Matterport. Just to show you how these are laid out. And then you have a map on the very bottom. Let me grab my little thing over here. I'm going nuts so with my mouse. My mouse is going the wrong direction. All right, I'm going to drag all the way back up to the top here. If I go to the top and then I scroll down, all these items are one on top of the other. As you can see right there. They're stacked one on top of each other, and I will show you how you can rearrange those if you would like to. But we'll go back to the top now, and this is a very simple single property website. So what I want to do now is I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to show you how to make some simple edits with this. First thing is you can choose a different template for your website. I'm going to let you experiment on your own with these, but just by clicking this, it will change the look of the website, and I'll let you play with those on your own. The one that I prefer is the Classy one, which is the one that we have in there. Next, the second thing you can do is you can actually rearrange the order of the items in there. What we had is, the first we had contact information, then the about, then the photos. Let's say I wanted to move the video up on top of the photos. I just click that up button, and you'll see that it changed, put the videos on top of the photos. So when we scroll down, what it does is it actually changes the order of the information in there. And this is one cool thing that you can do to customize it. I think, in my opinion, the photos would be on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the contact information because it's all about branding. Then I'll put the photos so people can see it. Actually, I'll move the video up, then the about, the Matterport. You can put it in whatever order you want to, but then what you want to do is make sure that you save your information so that it goes into effect. All of this is editable. This will be in your about information on the property. You can change your details. If you have a price change, you can change that. All of that will happen. It will all change once you hit Save Template Settings. Now, one thing that you can do, as I mentioned, you can change your cover photo. If I go to the View Property website, let me click on it and open it up, you'll notice that this one-point perspective shot of the kitchen is the first shot, which is honestly my favorite picture of the house. And there is not a rule that says you have to put the front of the house on there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to view photos and video if I want to change my cover photo. And I think we may have showed you this in another video. But let's say I do want to put the front of the house on there. I can go to that individual photo within the pictures. I can click on options, and then I can click on use this photo for website header. So if I click on that, what I'm going to do now is go back to my dashboard. I want to go down and make sure I don't have to hit save or anything. No, I don't. I just want to make sure I didn't tell you guys wrong on that. But you click dashboard right here. Then when I'm going to go back, I'm going to view my property website, and if I did everything correctly, you ought to see the front of the house as my cover photo. Please let me have done everything right. Yes, I did everything right. Again, I don't think that looks all that great. You might want to resize it or look at different templates. I really liked that kitchen photo because I could use a strip of it as opposed to the whole thing. I'm going to go back and rechange that back. I'm going to hit my options. Again, website header. Now, one other thing to do is, I think I may show you this in another video, but if I did not want this photo to be on my single property website, all I do is click on options, hide image. And what this will do, if I click it, it'll put a little hidden over it and put a little screen over it. If I want to unhide it, this and this with this hidden over it will not show up on your single property website. Let's say we took a picture of a garage or an attic, something that wasn't all that appealing, but it was something you wanted a photo of, you can hide it. So now I've brought it back. I have changed this back to website header. Click on that. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Click on my view property website, and I'm pretty confident that it is changed back to that photo of the kitchen. So again, it's all about marketing, so you want it to look good. So again, that's the order. We had it: photo, video. That's what we'd kind of changed to about the property, 3D tour. So, and this single property website, this is what you would want to put on the MLS. You obviously would only want to put the unbranded version on the MLS, but this is, it will house 360 photos. It'll hold your Matterport. It'll hold your video. It'll hold all your photos. So all your marketing can go in one place, so it can be stored in one place. So you can put it on the MLS with one link and you're ready to go, and it is a great marketing tool.